Everybody. Okay, so for this first lab, we're focusing on things like measurement techniques, precision and accuracy, but in the context of measuring circular things, right? Because the hypothesis is that no matter the size of the circle, the circumference and diameter are always proportional, right? That constant of proportionality is pi. So the task for this week is just find, right here, just find 10 circular things around your house and measure the circumference and the diameter, right? So like there's a pillow, found a bucket, there's a bowl, right? Just whatever you find around the house. I got a cup, like a paint can, paint bottle, like whatever you find around the house. Okay, and then to measure, let's say I want to measure this oatmeal canister. So, right, take your ruler. I happen to have a tape measure. So then, just like this, right? So you measure the diameter, and then for circumference, like I happen to have this USB cable. So then you just kind of go like this. Like this is the circumference here, right? And then just measure this with your ruler, and then enter that data into the spreadsheet. To get to the spreadsheet, it's right here. There's a link. So you just click here, and then it takes you directly to a shared Google Sheet that's embedded directly in Laulima. So like each of you have your own table entry. So don't overwrite somebody else's data, okay? So then you just list the various objects, and then the diameter for each, the circumference for each, and you should indicate what units you use. Like if you have a ruler that has centimeters or millimeters, that would be good. I just pulled up my tape measure that I found. This happens to be in inches, so I would enter it in inches. Then the last step would be, let's go back here. So the last thing is to take pictures of your objects, and then, I mean, you can take a picture of one or few, all of them, and then post pictures to our Padlet. So the link is right here, or it's also right here up on the side. All right, so you click here. That takes us to the Padlet, and then just right to enter a new post, here's this. You just click here, this plus sign in the bottom right corner, and then you can enter a new post, and then you just post your pictures. So I already put a few things up just to get things rolling. Okay, and then that's it. You're good for the week because you get points for uploading your data to the Google Sheet and then also posting to the Padlet. Next week we'll analyze the data and then show that they follow a pattern, that they're all proportional, their circumference and diameter, and then that constant of proportionality is pi. But we'll do that next week. Okay, so if you have any questions about anything, just post to the community forum, the community support forum, and then I'll try and reply with a video as much as possible. Okay, so I'll see you then.